So I will use number 6 here on my question paper, which says provide a formula for the following. A, we'll start with A. A says we must calculate the sum of total items. Okay, so that's the first thing that we will calculate. Let's go to our spreadsheet. Okay, so where we see A, do you see A here? A says we must calculate the total sum of items. Okay, so these are the items that we have on the spreadsheet, from mortgage to grooming. Okay, so how do we use the sum function to calculate? Okay, I'm going to show you the first method that you can use, because we're just calculating the sum. Sum is like you just adding, it's like addition. Okay, so you can just put your cursor here, or your active cell should be where you see the alphabet A. Okay, and then you can just go to your home tab and then look on your ribbons, just look for AutoSum. Do you see AutoSum? When you click on AutoSum, it will highlight for you where the computer is going to calculate. It tells you that it's going to calculate from cell B, column B, cell 5 or row 5. So it will be column B, row 5, to D, column D, to column D, row 5, like that. So it shows you like that. Okay, so it has already copied the formula for you. What you just need to do is just press the enter key on your keyboard just once. Voila, it is calculated for you. Okay, so on the question paper, you see that there is an arrow that is pointing down. Okay, so what does this arrow mean? It means that you have to copy the formula to all the remaining cells. Okay, how do we copy it? It's easy. We use the autofill handle. Remember the autofill handle? The square here, just put your mouse here, click on it, click and hold, and drag down to the last cell. You see? So it has already calculated for you all the totals of the items, of the remaining items. So you don't need to calculate one. You just need to calculate the first item, and then you use the autofill handle to do the rest. Okay, so this is the first method that you can use. Okay, I'm going to show you another one. Okay, I'm going to show you another method to calculate the sum. Okay, you can use the insert function. How do we use the insert function? Your active cell must be where you need to calculate. Okay, just click on FX. It's gonna put the equal sign for you here, and then it's gonna show you a dialog box that is gonna show you to select the function. So we want to calculate the sum. So already sum is highlighted in blue, meaning that it has already been selected. So you just click OK. Okay, and then it has already selected where it will start calculating. Remember, the calculation started from B5 to D5. It's also like that even here. Okay, then you just click OK. When you click OK, it's already calculated. Then you do the same. You use the autofill handle to copy down the formula. Okay, and then the last one, or my last method, you can just use type in the equal sign, and then you can type sum with your keyboard, sum. Then you can open the bracket, and then with your mouse, go click where you want it to calculate. We want it to calculate from B3. You click and then you drag, and then you close the bracket, and then you hit the enter key. It has already calculated for you. Then you drag down, use the autofill handle to calculate. I hope this was helpful.